Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to refresh Quick Add on Snapchat. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open up Snapchat. Next thing is you want to tap on your Bitmoji icon here at the top left. Then, tap on your settings icon at the top right. Now, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Clear Data. This will be under Privacy Controls and you'll be able to see clear data. Once you have seen it, just go ahead and tap on that. Now, from this page, you'll find Clear Cache. Go ahead and tap on that also, and it will clear your cache. After that, your Snapchat will close automatically. Now, just go back to your Snapchat app by tapping on it again. Now, let's see if your Quick Add has been refreshed. And there you go! All your Quick Add has been refreshed on your Snapchat app. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now refresh Quick Add on Snapchat. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.